How to change someone's name on WhatsApp on Android. This tutorial shows you how to edit how a contact's name appears in your chats. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device and find the chat of the person whose name you want to change. After that, tap on their name at the top of the chat to open their contact info. From there, tap the three dots at top right corner and tap Edit from the options that pop up. At this point, clear out the existing name and type in whatever name you want to display for that contact. In the next step, tap Save to confirm the change, and it will update across all of WhatsApp immediately. Finally, keep in mind that this only changes how the name appears on your device. The other person won't be notified, and their name on everyone else's phone stays exactly the same. And that's it. If this guide helped you change a contact's name on WhatsApp on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.